For the function f of kx equals to x negative 8 for all values of x, where k is a constant, if f of 2 equals to 35, what is the value of k? Let me take the given function, that is f of kx equals to x negative 8. Here x is multiplied by k. Since x is multiplied by k over here, on the right side, we can multiply and divide this x by k. Okay, let me do it. That is f of kx equals to, when I multiply and divide this x by k, I am getting kx over k negative 8. Now let's consider this information, that is f of 2 equals to 35. When I compare this f of 2 and this f of kx, at the place of kx we have 2. So let's plug in this 2 for kx over here and here. Then we get f of 2 equals to 2 over k negative 8. We have value for this f of 2, that is 35. We can plug in this 35 for f of 2 over here. Then we get 35 equals to 2 over k negative 8. My aim is to solve for k in this equation. Let's isolate k. Let me add 8 to both sides of this equation. Then this negative 8 positive 8 will cancel out. On the left side I am getting 43. On the right side we have 2 over k. Let me continue over here. That is 43 equals to 2 over k. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by k. Then this k will cancel out. K times 43 can be written as 43k. On the right side we have 2. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 43. So when I do so, this 43 will cancel out. I am getting k equals to 2 over 43. Here I got the value of k, that is 2 over 43.